My money, my body, now your own.
It's OVO, Ebates.
For the dough, tell her one, but she want for the dough. Tell her 9-5 for the no. Tell the die for the no.
Ghana girl say she want marry me yo. I hope so she sabi cocoaalmondjoy. Hope your love go sweet past the sheet up. Baby girl, I say your body na killer oh. Oh, yeah, I get it diet of your body. Oh, only on your body. For the corner, there's somebody made a call. I'm Macy the wine, I see fire for her body. And if she follow me, go now, enjoyment go kill. Baby girl, you bad, girl, the way you wine. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Say you are my woman, my superwoman.
Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know I appreciate you for coming back and watching another video. Also, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much for joining my little family. It means the world to me. All right, and I hope you enjoy the content. Now, today's video, you guys, you saw me work with this unit that I have on my head currently. You guys, this unit is from LuvMe Hair. This is the third time I have worked with them, you guys. The first time was a water wave hair. The second time was a gray body wave hair, and this is now my full bang body wave hair, you guys, from this company. And I have to say, their body wave textures are bomb, you guys. They're really good. This is not my first time wearing this unit, you guys. I've worn it about 2 or 3 times, and I would have to say that it's an easy wig. Honestly, it's so easy. I think it's easy because, you know, there's no lace, pretty much. All you have to do is plop it on, curl it a little bit, and then go out the door. And I love wearing these type of styles during the winter time because it just keeps me warm. Alright, this is a virgin hair body wave bang full wig. Alright, it is 12 inches. It's probably a little bit longer. It looks like a little bit, maybe like 14 or something. No, it's okay. It's probably 12 inches. All right, and it is currently on sale, you guys. It's on sale for $159.90. And the great thing about LuvMe Hair is that they always give a discount, and I'm going to leave the discount code down below. So if you are interested in purchasing any hair from this company, you can use that code to get your hair. This unit is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Like I stated before, I have reviewed hair from this company, you guys. The shipping is extremely fast. The customer service, they're extremely responsive, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can hit them up on all of the social media avenues. Very, very responsive. That's one thing I really like about this particular company is the customer service. Now, this particular unit, you guys, this, you know, I wear it to work. I'm always trying to find like a work wig, you know what I mean? And I think this is going to be the unit I'm going to wear for about a week or so to work. I love it. I love it. Okay, so the unit came, and I'm going to insert a picture right next to me with a really full bang, and it was extremely long. So what I decided to do is I decided to cut the bang a little bit, and it's like just hitting like my eyeshadow, you guys, which is perfectly fine with me. And if I didn't want it to hit my eyeshadow, what I could do is just move the unit back a little bit, and see, now it's not really hitting my eyes. Okay, so yeah, I really like this one. I didn't think I was gonna like this as much. So let me give you some more specs about this unit. Alright, so it's 12 inches. It's 100% virgin hair from one donor. The density is 200%. What? I'm surprised. It doesn't feel like 200%. It's a natural black color. Yes, it can be dyed. The straps are adjustable. The lace is Swiss medium brown, but you know what? You really can't see the lace because it's not like a lace front wig. And then the size is a 22.5, you guys, which is, they say it's standard and it's a medium cap size, but I have a really small head and I always adjust my straps like really tight. So this fits so snug, you guys. It's a little bit small, but it fits really good. I don't know if it would be big head friendly, honestly. So those of you lovely ladies who have a bigger circumference, this unit may not work for you. I don't know if they offer larger sizes. If you have any questions about this unit that I'm wearing, or if you have any questions about LuvMe Hair, go ahead and hit me in the comment section down below. Ask your questions and I will be sure to answer them, you guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, again, if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, come back for more videos. I do hair videos, I do makeup videos, and yeah, and I hope you enjoy the content that I have coming out for you guys. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye!
Die for the love. Girl, I want me, she want for the dough. Oh, last side for the no. Girl, I want for the die for the dough. Die for the dough. Girl, I want me, she want for the dough. Girl, die for the no. Girl, die for the no.